Greg Penny here at InTheSweat.com. I am at the beautiful Semiahmoo Athletic Club in White Rock, British Columbia, owned by the great Joe Scally, one of the top CrossFit athletes in all of Canada. So today we are here with Trigger Healthcare products, and I'm holding in my hand the Dr. B's trigger pointer. This is one of my favorite rehab tools of all time. I've been using it for about 6 months now, and my clients use it. Absolutely phenomenal product. And like I said, it's one of my favorite products for prehab, rehab, myofascial release, enhanced performance and mobility, all those things, absolutely fantastic, whether you're an athlete or just an everyday person like myself. It's a tool that I use with all my clients, and it's absolutely fantastic. So I'm here with my beautiful wife, Lisa, today. Lisa's going to actually demonstrate into an area that gives a lot of people a lot of grief, especially for a lot of people who are sitting down for prolonged periods of time. And I'm talking about back here into the posterior chain, into the rotator cuff area right here, and the teres major area right here. So I'm going to hand the trigger pointer to Lisa. So she's going to come up underneath her arm, the placement of the trigger pointer where I just have my thumb into the rotator cuff area. We're going to go right into the rotator cuff here like this. And as you can see, she's going to find it. She's going to find a spot, a trigger point that's causing her a little bit of grief. And what she's going to do, she has one hand out to the end, the other one here, and she's just going to pull out and leverage, use leverage just to pull across her body like this. She's going to hold for 15 seconds, 4 to 8 pounds of pressure. It's a very sensitive area, maybe a little bit less for some people, as much as you can take. And then she's just going to relax again a little bit, a couple of seconds. And then she's going to go again. She's going to just back a little bit further, Lisa, right here and into there. And she's going to just leverage across her body like this. So the tool is designed for actual leverage. As you can see, she's just pulling across her body into her rotator cuff. How does it feel, Lisa?
That's good.
It's good, yep. And it's a very sensitive, tender area. Like I said, she's going to hold for another 4 or 5 seconds here. And then just release. And you just release for a couple of seconds. You readjust. So we're going to readjust it a little bit lower, just a little bit lower underneath the rotator cuff, and then more into what's called the teres major area, which is a very sensitive area for a lot of people. And she's going to just apply the same technique that she just did for the rotator cuff. And of course, your breathing pattern just remains the same. So a lot of people tend to hold their breath when they're doing these. Just regular breathing pattern is what we're looking for. High posture. And then just release. And she's going to go across again. And you can always put a little bit more pressure into it if you think you can take it. Like I said, based on the sensitivity of the area and how tight it is with the fascia, you can apply a couple more pounds of pressure or just back off a little bit. That's great, Lisa. So for more information, visit triggerhealthcare.com.